So brioche, obviously egg-based, lots of richness to these, and that's what I'm going to use today. Pretzel buns are very popular as well. What I'm going to do with my brioche buns, they have them sort of half cut already. They're not cut all the way through, so I'm just going to make sure that they're separate, and I'm going to toast them. It says they're optional, toasted and buttered, but if you have the opportunity to do it, we want to have the best flavor we can have. What do you think tastes better, a piece of bread or a piece of bread toasted with butter on it? Pretty obvious, right? So we're going to fire up the toaster oven. I'm going to toast these. But if you have a bagel option in your toaster or in your toaster oven, I want you to use the bagel option, especially when you're dealing with a fancy bun like this. A bagel option only toasts the cut side. So you'd cut open your bagel, right? You put the bagel option, it only toasts the cut side because you would put that either up like this in your toaster oven, or it'll show with a little arrow which side you put on the cut side in your toaster if you're doing the bagel option in your toaster. Because that way we're not going to toast, which we don't want. We don't want this part toasted. We only want this part toasted. Toaster oven, let's fire these in there. Function, bagel.